What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm doing a quick lesson of Elvis, Devil in Disguise. So, yeah, let's start with putting a capo on first fret, please. We get some nice open chords. So we get an E major shape. 1, 2, 3. Get A major. 1, 2, 3. Get a B7. 1, 2, 3. And in the verses we also have there's a minor chord, bar chord here. So from 4 you want to bar the A string. Starting on A string, 4th fret, and then 6, 6, 5. So that's all the chords we need. We got 4 chords. So the song starts with A, B, E, and then B, 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 B. Okay, and then we have for the verses, no, actually chorus, E major, E major, A, and then we go to the fast part, so that's E. You look like an angel. Yo, the devil in the sky. So that's just down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. And I like to throw in this little bass line when I play this on acoustic guitar and sing it. So on the A string, that's 2 to 4, back to 2 over the E. Go to the fast part, which starts with E major and then minor chord here. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. I thought I was heaven. E, C sharp, A, B, E, like the intro. A, B, E, B, 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 B. You walk like an angel. 2, 3, fast part. I can barely see it because my glasses are so warm in here. Anyway, so let's go over everything before we end the lesson. Every chorus, E, A, B, land on the B there, and the verses E, C sharp, E, C sharp, A, B, and the song starts just like that. It starts with cool. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Take it easy. Stay cool.